Lexus's latest generation multimedia platform, Lexus Interface, includes a comprehensive list of great entertainment, convenience, and connectivity features. In this how-to video, you'll learn how to enroll for Safety Connect and use its various protection features, like emergency assistance, enhanced roadside assistance, automatic collision notifications, and stolen vehicle locator. The easiest way to enroll for Safety Connect is through Lexus app. During the registration process within Lexus app, you'll see a Connected Services trial screen. Simply select Continue to move forward. Next, tap Accept to agree to the compulsory Connected Services data handling requirements. Then scroll down and choose whether to accept the optional Service Connect communication. Then tap Confirm and Continue to activate Safety Connect. To use Safety Connect's emergency assistance feature, just press the SOS button located inside the vehicle in the overhead console. This will initiate a call to the Safety Connect Response Center, which offers guests support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The LED next to the SOS button will blink to indicate the call is active. When an SOS call is in progress, the system will mute your audio source and display an emergency call banner notification on the multimedia screen that locks out all multimedia functionalities. You will hear Connecting to the Emergency Call Center. To cancel, please press the button again. Once the call is connected, the system will ask, "Are you in need of medical or emergency services?" Please say yes or no. If you say yes, you will be routed directly to an agent who will be made aware of your vehicle's details, including its current location, and coordinate the dispatch of emergency services as required. For added peace of mind, agents will remain on the call until service providers arrive or you end the call. Our 24-hour response center is automatically notified in the event of an airbag deployment or severe rear-end collision. The response center agent will attempt to speak with you and then notify local emergency services for dispatch to your location. If the call is disconnected for any reason, the audio system will prompt "Call disconnected," connecting to the call center, and a retry call will be initiated every 20 seconds for 24 hours until a connection is made. Should you find yourself in a vehicle theft situation and you are enrolled for Safety Connect, immediately file a police report and notify our response center so agents can assist authorities in locating your vehicle using GPS technology. Once you obtain a police report number, call 1-800-26-LEXUS. That's 1-800-265-3987 for assistance. That's a quick look at what Lexus Interface's Safety Connect has to offer. To learn more, be sure to visit lexus.ca/interface. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.